The Ducard 3-in-1 toothbrush and water flosser combines a toothbrush and flosser in one convenient device, offering a comprehensive oral care solution. With the ability to switch instantly between brushing, flossing, or both, this device ensures thorough cleaning, particularly beneficial for those with braces or sensitive gums. Harnessing the power of 40,000 vibrations per minute, it provides a deep clean that is significantly more effective than manual brushing, catering to sensitivity, whitening, and deep cleaning needs. The device features 5 customizable flossing pressures, making it versatile enough to meet the needs of the entire family, including those with dental implants or sensitive gums. Designed for modern living, it boasts a long battery life that can last for weeks on a single charge and is fully waterproof, making it shower-friendly. The complete kit comes with 3 brush heads, a nozzle, and a universal adapter, ensuring you have everything necessary for long-term, salon-quality oral care at home.